Good morning. We are out here at Jodie Kyle's house. We're going to attempt to repair this shingle. We're going to pull it out, and then we're going to put in another one to see if it can hold repairs, if it's repairable. So let's get into it. We're using the roof snake. I know this is a Allstate claim, but State Farm's request is that we use this roof snake. All right, I didn't even pull this 45 degrees and this ripped right here. I was trying to see where the nails are and it's already ripping, which is a problem. Want to make sure all the sealant's off of it. All right, so I got to manipulate this row of shingles and this row of shingles to be able to get the nails out for this shingle here. Oh, here it is again. It just ripped again. And I'm being as careful as I can. I'm not even at 45 degrees yet to get the nails out, which is kind of a big problem. Yeah, that's real brittle. All right, now we're gonna attempt to get the nails out here. These nails are pulling straight through. Yeah, they're all pulling right through. Oh my gosh. Yeah, we're gonna stop the video right there. I just pulled a couple nails out. Tons of rips. We got a rip here, got a rip here. Yeah, a good bit of matting transfer underneath these shingles, which is a problem for the resealing of the top two layers, and this is damaged. So we're gonna stop the video right there. I will not attempt to go any further. I'm gonna go put the nails back, as this is already damaging this, and we're gonna have to end up tarping this for the homeowner. Thank you.